Hello everyone, myself Akansha, and in this video we will be knowing about challenges of fintech industry. With the advancement in technology and increase in the number of smartphones, fintech is helping reach financial services to more number of people. But still there are certain challenges that this industry has to tackle. Now let us begin with what is a fintech. Fintech companies use technology to improve the delivery of banking and financial services. PhonePe, Creed, Google Pay, Grow are some of the fintech companies based in India. Now looking at the challenges for fintech industry, the first point explains protecting data from cyber attacks. Now let's say you install an app Google Pay. Now what will happen is they will ask for certain data in order to provide their services. So basically fintech companies gather data to provide personalized services. Protecting data from cyber attack is very important for them. Fintech cyber attacks happens not just for money but also for personal data. The data can also be misused for identity theft. So developing secure platform is a big challenge for fintech companies. Second point explains providing security and good user experience at the same time is also a challenge. For example, if the login page of the fintech app overwhelms user, they may not prefer the app. But at the same time, it should not be too easy to access to prevent hacking. The third point explains many people in India still use cash. Even though the digital financial services are being used by increasing number of people, still there are many people in India who are using cash, either because not having a bank account or because of lack of digital literacy. So, adding these customers to the digital financial service is also another challenge. The fourth point explains poor internet connectivity. Even though the number of internet users in India is increasing at a rapid rate, some remote areas do not have internet connectivity and some other rural areas have poor internet connectivity. It is difficult for the people of those areas to access fintech apps with slow internet. So, reaching these potential customers is another challenge for fintech companies. Another challenge is collaboration between banks and fintech companies. Over the years, banks have built a systematic culture, whereas fintech companies, which are startups, are innovative and flexible. So, the collaboration between two completely different business models is also another challenge. Last but not the least is it is difficult for fintech companies to gain the trust of public. For example, neobanks such as FI Money and Jupiter do not have physical branches and are entirely online. So, a common man may prefer a traditional bank such as SBI, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, etc., over a neobank to open an account. Competing with traditional banks in gaining the trust of public is a challenge for the fintech industry. To conclude, we can say that fintech is helping in achieving financial inclusion by making financial services more accessible to an increasing number of people. But the fintech industry has several challenges to tackle. The companies are actively working towards overcoming these challenges. Thank you for watching. Comment below what are your opinion on this topic and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more hot topics like this.